Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS convertible. Killer car, guys. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Good, solid South Carolina body. Guys owned this car for about 7-8 years. He said that that's how old the resto is. Not very many miles on the car, and it is slick. Finished in Tuxedo black. It's got the black vinyl interior, new black convertible top. It's a manual top. Goes up and down real easy. Good looking car, man. Slick Tuxedo black paint. You can see it's got the 15-inch GM rally wheels with the flat caps, and it's got Coker Classic radial red lines all the way around it. Pretty car right there. Turn the key, take it right to a car show. Car hits the road just as sweet as can be. It's got the Detroit Speed hideaway headlight conversion kit on it, so they're electric. Where in 68 these were actually vacuum. They were a pain in the butt from the factory. Chrome and stainless is nice. It's a pretty car right here, guys. They put the SS hood on it. Pretty car. The chrome and stainless, like I say, real nice on the car. I apologize, you probably hear it in the background. They're doing construction across the street, which is just, it's got everything dusty. Everything gets dusty in about 10 seconds out here right now. Rear spoiler. See the dust, I mean, it's crazy. Nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. Good looking set of wheels and tires on it. This car's got good eyes, man. I love these cars with the hideaways in them. I just love that look. And I think 67, 68s, I'm going to be in the minority here, but I'm a big fan, 67, 68 RS cars, even over the 69s. I like the look of these cars. This car sits good, got a real good look to it. Slick paint. It's got the 327 cubic inch, 300 horse small block engine in it with the double hump heads on it. 4-barrel stock intake, nice set of hookers, ceramic headers. You can see it's got all the billet pulleys on the front. Power steering, power front disc brakes, HEI distributor. It's got the 400 turbohydramatic trans in it. Aluminum radiator. It's got tubular front control arms on it. Really drives and handles out excellent. Yeah, that's a nice car right there. That car's pretty. See how nice this stuff. They've definitely replaced that, or they've had it refurbished, because it's really nice. New door handles, new door rubbers. You can see the door skins are nice and clean. It's actually got the deluxe door pads on it. New carpet. Seats have definitely been redone. It's got the bucket seats. I'm sitting here in neutral. Let me show you the back seat here. That's in good shape. Again, it's a manual top, operates very easily. It's got the stock Camaro steering wheel. Showing 29,898. I'm sure that's 129, guys. But they said there's not very many miles on the restoration. See, the dash pad is nice. It's got the Retrosounds radio in it. 400 trans, Flowmaster dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear end, no big gear either, guys. It's probably got a stock 323 in it. New boot, I mean brand new boot. You see that? It's actually got a E70 14 bias ply spare in it. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Really clean underneath. I mean, it's a turnkey, go have some fun car, man. New fuel tank. Bunch of new cars coming, guys. Make sure you're keeping track of that website, southernmotors.com. A bunch of new stuff coming. Seats are nice, and the dash pad's real nice. Gauges are nice and clean. That's just a good car. Nothing crazy, just a, little cam to it, but nothing crazy. Car hits the road outstanding. Fit and finish is excellent on the car. I mean, it's a pretty car, man. You normally can't say that about convertibles. Unibodies don't usually fit up real tight. This one's nice. It's the fuel gauge, really all that's in there, factory dash. Backup lights work. Got good sound, man. Sits good. It's a pretty car. Does it power up?
It powers up.
Okay. Lower motor, I didn't flip it. Does it work? Yep, it works. That stuff all looks new in there. Got doors open and close nice. Wipers work. Yeah, it's got the Detroit speed. That's really nice. Turn the stern signal. Yeah. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That's a pretty son of a gun right there.